name is Raquel Maldonado and I'm here to show you how to make beet paint. You need 1 big beet or 2 small beets, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a blender, a peeler, a knife, a strainer, and a pan. Peel and dice the beet. Pour the water into the blender. Little by little, add the beet pieces and blitz. Strain it into a pan. Keep the beet paste. You can use it in a recipe if you want. Add the cornstarch and stir. Take it to medium heat and keep stirring for 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens a bit. Pour the paint into an airtight jar. You can keep it in the fridge for a few days. For better conservation, you can add a tablespoon of hand sanitizer gel when it cools down. Your own beet paint is ready to create art. Have fun! Bye!